Welcome children in bio class. You have to study disorders of excretory system. There are many disorders of excretory system. Some important of them are renal calculi, glomerulonephritis, uremia, and renal failure. So these are the some important disorders of excretory system. In that, first you see what is the renal calculi. Renal calculi, that is the kidney stone. The kidney stones are formed in any part of the urinary tract. So the crystal of salt present in the urine, it solidified, it changed into insoluble stone. It is known as renal calculi or kidney stone. The kidney stones are formed in any part of the urinary tract. When a person is taking excess of calcium and decrease the intake of water, then there is chances of the formation of kidney stone. The kidney stones are mainly composed of calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate, and uric acid crystal. When the stones gets stuck in the ureter, there is pain. Surgery is the solution and it can be removed by surgery. Nowadays there is a technique called shock wave lithotripsy. So this is used for removing the kidney stone. A device called lithotripter delivers high intensity of sound shock waves through a water bath or water filled cushions. Then these shock waves break the stone into small pieces and then it wash out in the urine. Next disorder is glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis is also known as Bright's disease. In this disease, there is an inflammation of the kidney that involves glomeruli. The glomeruli may be permanently damaged and leading to acute or chronic renal failure. So, it is due to infection of streptococci bacteria. This streptococci bacteria, when infect, then glomeruli become so inflamed, swollen, and engorged with blood that the endothelial capsular membrane become highly permeable and allow blood cells and protein to enter the filtrate. So when there is the formation of glomerular filtrate, in that water, nitrogenous waste, excess of salt only filter. But when there is inflammation in the glomeruli, blood and protein also filter. So in this disease, as I told, glomeruli permanently may damage and kidney may fail. Next is uremia. Uremia is the accumulation of urine in the blood. So when excess of urea is accumulated, urea is produced in liver. When it is accumulated in the blood, then persons are suffering from uremia. Uremia is highly harmful. It leads to kidney failure. Uremia develops after about 7 days of anuria. Anuria means absence of urine. Because of the reduced glomerular filtration rate and impaired tubular secretion of urea. Increased blood urea leads to confusion and mental disorder. In such patients, urea can be removed by the process called hemodialysis. So if urea is not removed from the blood by hemodialysis, then patient may suffer from confusion and mental disorientation, and ultimately kidney fail and patient die. Last stage, renal failure. Renal failure is a decreases or cessation of glomerular filtration. In acute renal failure, kidneys abruptly stop working entirely or almost. The main features of acute renal failure is suppression of urine flow. Causes include low blood volume, decreased cardiac output, damaged renal tubules, and kidney stones. Other is chronic renal failure. It refers to a progressive and usually reversible decline in glomerular filtration rate. Persons suffering from chronic renal failure need dialysis and kidney transplantation. So children, I told here different types of disorders of excretory system.